Video number 2.
Hi.
Hey guys.
We're back.
I put it down for a brother like you. Give it to you right in the car, that's you. We could first give you some of this, that's you.
The power couple, Jay-Z and Beyonce.
Beyonce.
So crazy right now. Most incredibly.
First things first, the ring Jay-Z gave to Beyonce.
Beyonce's ring is so huge.
It's ridiculous, honestly.
Bitch.
She's doing them right. That ring is half of her hand. Like, she is walking around like this.
I
The
swear,
ring is weighing her down.
if I had the fucking ring, I would be like this most of the fucking time. Like, hey,
I'd be
bitch.
like, it is hot, it is cold, everything. That ring is a showstopper, 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 showstopper. She has like a little armrest for her when her hand gets tired. It's like, what happened to your arm? Oh, nothing. My ring's a little heavy, that's all.
I think I was watching their fabulous life of Jay-Z and Beyonce. Oh my god. I mean, they have their
They
own
could
private island.
They could save their money for a day and live for the rest of their lives.
That's true. Oh, I actually want to see the fabulous life of Miley Cyrus. It's on you. I think it's on Thursday or something like that. Next week or something. I don't know. I forgot. Yeah, but I want to be Miley. I'm just kidding.
I just want to be your friend. Songs will look really good together.
Greetings, Himeros, god of sexual desire.
Okay, yeah.
Son of Aphrodite.
Let's go down. So, Lady Gaga's new music video for Guy.
Actually, like a mini movie.
Has like the intro, it's like 3 different songs, and then it all comes down to Guy. She has all of the Real Housewives on there, and then Andy Cohen from Watch What Happens on Late Night Bravo. I'm pretty sure Bravo hooked it up.
Wait, it was a really good video. You guys have to check it out. I just saw it like an hour ago. It was really good.
Fantastic.
Especially Venus comes out.
Oh my god.
Venus.
That's the jam. It's with a V. Venus.
Garden panty. Venus.
Next topic.
Ah!
And one more time.
This week's Vine.
Oh god.
So funny because of everything he says, oh god. Oh god.
Well, Vine is crazy this week.
Yeah, Vine was just funny. There's this Hispanic guy who's singing to this song called Perro. And he has like this little thing and he's just like in his little red Speedo and he's just going, Perro,
And he's just going ham. He's like, perro,
Perro.
perro. And that's all he says.
And then like there's these like 2 bitches on the side.
Fucking seizures in the back.
It's so funny.
It's
You guys
hilarious.
gotta check
You
it
have to
out.
see it.
Oh, all night. Surfboard, surfboard, grinding on that wood, grinding on that wood.
So, Beyonce continues to affect the world. And this week, it's on Vine.
Oh, you want me to say it?
Yes, I want
Okay.
you to say it.
I'll say it. Okay, so this is woman, lady, guy, boy, whatever he
There's
is.
this lady boy.
Lady man. He's like dancing in this subway or train or whatever.
And he's grinding on the pole.
Like he's literally like,
He's like upside down, doing somersaults like a fucking stripper.
oh my god, it's so funny. And then during the video, there's like this lady who screams out, "There's children in the train! There's children in the train!"
There's children on the train.
Like,
And despite the scream, she just goes even harder and starts grinding right in front of the lady. It's a must watch.
yeah, it is, it really is. And Perro too, Perro. Just kidding.
We're really not though. It's really funny.
You know,
Those
were
really
the
stood
one-
out this
yeah.
week. Those were the creme de la creme.
Yeah, it actually stood out. Like a Thor's thumb.
Like a sore thumb.
Describe my crush in 3 words.
Tall, dark, and rich.
Focus. I see you, ho!
How are you calling it out? Twitter trend of the week, we're gonna say.
Describe your crush in 3 words. One of them I thought it was funny. He's dead now.
Hashtag he's dead now.
Wi-Fi without password. How ghetto is this bitch?
She coming up on that free Wi-Fi.
Describe your crush in 3 words.
He ain't mine.
Looks cute, vomiting.
That's a little creepy. I don't give a damn who my crush is. No one looks cute vomiting. Everybody looks like the motherfucking exorcist vomiting. Your mouth open or your chunks flying.
Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you.
That's it, guys.
This is it for this one.
I hope you really like it. I hope you subscribe. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram.
Like. Leave some comments for us. You want to hear your feedback.
I know we look like fools here. Bye.
Bye, guys.
See you guys next week.